Some breaking news coming in at this moment. Arvind Kejriwal, who's back from Bengaluru, is reported to be miffed with senior party leaders for the media mudslinging and statements during the last few days. Sources suggest that Kejriwal met senior leaders at his house last night. We have Ankit Tyagi joining us for more on this. Morning, Ankit. Take us through all the details that you have gathered.
Well, Sanket, this surprise meeting between all the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, or the fraction close to Arvind Kejriwal with Yogendra Yadav, was in fact raising a lot of questions. And why did it suddenly happen? Because it seemed that almost all the bridges were broken. But what sources are now telling us is that after his return from Bangalore, Arvind Kejriwal called all the senior leaders to his residence. He in fact expressed his displeasure over the kind of media statements that were being made from leaders, those who are seen close to Arvind Kejriwal. He said that because of this, the morale of the volunteers is extremely low, and this is going to hurt the party in the longer run. He also, in fact, it was on his instructions that all these four leaders went to Yogendra Yadav's house. He said that whatever the issues are, should be the leaders should sit together and sort it out, rather than washing the dirty linen in the public, which is hurting the party's image. It has come quite late, Sanket. Remember, today is 17th of March. On 4th, both these leaders were Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, were shown the door as far as the PAC is concerned, and since then there has been constant mudslinging and accusations and sting operations coming against each other. Kejriwal so far has remained away from this entire controversy. He has tried to project that he is above these issues that are taking place in the party, and it seems that one more attempt has been med by his side. Remember, as soon as Kejriwal came, Prashant Bhushan said that he had sent a message for him for Arvind Kejriwal to meet. But it seems now there are small steps being taken from both the sides, and the question now is, will this be enough to end the current crisis within the Aam Aadmi Party?
Ankit Tyagi, many thanks for joining us at this moment. Let's take a listen to all the reactions that have been coming in on this story.
साथी लोग आए थे, बात शुरू हुई, अच्छी बात हुई, आगे और भी होगी। जब कुछ उससे निकलेगा, अगर निकलता है तो आपके सामने सबसे पहले रखेंगे।
सर, अगर निकलता है सर?
अभी कुछ भी नहीं, मैं सिर्फ कहा बात शुरू हुई, बात आगे जारी रहेगी, और जब और अगर कुछ भी निकलता है तो जरूर आपके सामने रखेंगे।
अरविंद जी से मिलने का आपके मन में कोई विचार?
हमने तो समय मांगा है ना, मैंने और प्रशांत जी ने। समय मिल जाएगा, अभी तो आए हैं वो बेंगलोर से, समय मिल जाएगा, बात करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे।
सेहत में सुधार हुआ, कोई बातचीत नहीं हुई अभी तक?
अभी तो वो आए हैं और निश्चित समय मिलेगा, बात करेंगे।
जो पार्टी में जो कुछ भी घटित हुआ पिछले दिनों, उस पर हम सारे लोग चिंतित थे, परेशान थे, और उसके बारे में हम लोगों ने बातचीत की शुरुआत की है। किसी निष्कर्ष, किसी समाधान पे जब पहुंच जाएंगे वो भी आपको बता देंगे। अभी एक शुरुआत हुई है, मुझे लगता है इसका आप लोगों को स्वागत करना।
बैठक में बहुत सारी बातचीत हुई, बातचीत का सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है। तमाम मुद्दे हैं, उन मुद्दों पर बहस हुई है, और उन मुद्दों का निष्कर्ष निकालने के लिए, सुलझाने के लिए एक रास्ता करीब करीब तय करने की कोशिश हुई है, और ये कोशिश कल भी जारी रहेगी।